So today we are going to look at one cool function that we have in Microsoft Excel that a lot of people do not know. And that cool function is what we call FlashFill. You're welcome to Scodemy. If this is your first time, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our page for more subsequent, more educative content on data analytics. All right, so FlashFill is basically used when you do not want to repeat an action that you've already performed in Excel. Okay, so we use the FlashFill to automatically fill, separate, or combine data sets based on an already existing data set that you have. Okay, so in performing FlashFill, so let's say you have this data set. Okay, you have this data set, so you can check out the comment section. The link to this data set is there that you can download and perform the exercise on. So let's say you have this data set, okay, and you want to perform similar actions that you've already done, but you do not want to copy and paste, or you do not want to repeat those same actions. So let's say you can see over here on column B, we have sex, we have male, female, and all that. We have district on column D. You want to repeat the same action over here, but you can type the complete female here, like female this way. Okay, you can type the complete thing here, female. Now, where you want to repeat the same action, but you do not want to copy and paste, you just want to call it, you go to data. So you come to data, you type the first item because Excel must identify the data. Then you come to FlashFill. So FlashFill under data, you come to FlashFill. Then you click on it. So you realize that it automatically generates everything that you are looking for over here. Okay, so let's say you do not want to repeat the full female. You just want to use abbreviation. So you want to use the first two letters. All you have to do is to type FE. Okay, then I come to FlashFill. Excel will automatically identify that this is what we want to do, and it will continue like that. So this is how we perform FlashFill. You see how cool it is? So let's do another one too for, let's say, the districts. Okay, the districts. Now we have Tamale, we have Wa, we have Bogatanga over here. Instead of typing Tamale, the full Tamale, you just type TA. Okay, when you are done, then you make sure you are in data, the data toolbar. Then you come to FlashFill, you click on it, and it repeats the same thing in that pattern for you. So this is how you can easily perform FlashFill in Microsoft Excel.